Hello children, welcome back to the episode 2 of the Electric 101 video. Today, we are going to use the electrifying strategy that is trace the path to solve one of the most common PSLE electricity question. And the question is, will the bulb light up? Let's first start with a simple example. Will bulb 1 light up? In this circuit, all the 3 bulbs are arranged in series. Now, let's apply the electrifying strategy, trace the path to this question. We must trace the path from the battery to bulb 1 and back to the battery again, like this. Next, we need to ask ourselves this question: is the path closed? Are there any electrical insulators along this path? There's no electrical insulator along this path. Therefore, the path is closed. It is a closed circuit and current will flow through. Bulb 1 will light up. Now, let's go on to the next question. Will bulb 1 light up if bulb 3 fuses? Do you still remember what I said in the previous video? A fuse bulb is an electrical insulator. Since bulb 3 fuses, bulb 3 is an electrical insulator. To see if the bulb 1 light up, we must again use the electrifying principle, that is, trace the path. We trace the path from the battery to the bulb 1 and back to the battery again, like this. Next, we have to check if the path is closed. Is there any electrical insulators along this path? Bulb 3 lies on this path, and it is an electrical insulator. Therefore, the path is not closed. It is an open circuit and current cannot flow through. Bulb 1 will not light up. Now, let's take a look at this circuit. The 3 bulbs are arranged in parallel. If bulb 3 fuses, bulb 1 will still light up. Why? Trace the path and discover the answer for yourself. Let's now move on to more difficult question. Will bulb A light up if bulb E and battery Y are removed? When we say bulb E and battery Y are removed, we mean that there's now a gap here. The gap is actually the air. So, the 2 gaps are the electrical insulator. Now, let's trace the path from the battery X to bulb A, like this. Now, we have to check if the path is closed. We look out for any electrical insulator along this path. In this path, we have the electrical insulator caused by removing bulb E. This path is not closed. It is an open circuit and current cannot flow through. Bulb A will not light up. Let's now move on to another question. Will bulb 3 still light up if bulb 1 fuses? Since we know that bulb 1 fuses, bulb 1 has now become the electrical insulator. Now, we have to trace the path from the battery to the bulb 3 and back to the battery again. You will realize there are 2 paths as shown. So long that one of these paths is closed, bulb 3 will still light up. In this case, the red path is open because of the fused bulb 1. But there's no electrical insulator along the blue path. The blue path is closed. It is a closed circuit and current will flow through. Therefore, bulb 3 will still light up.